What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my kitchen. Thank you all so much for the love and support. How about this tasty, delicious, healthy, nutritious overnight oats straight from Sister J's kitchen? Let me show you how I do this.
Jay, them say it tastes nice every time when you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it day in the pot. Sister J, she no play to the world.
For these overnight oats, I'm using oat milk, oats, flaxseed, chia seed, almond, dried cherry, and frozen blueberries. So let's get into this quick and easy breakfast. I have 2 containers here. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oats to each of them. Followed by the flaxseed, and this is the ground flaxseed. Now I'm adding the chia seed. So here's the frozen blueberries that I'm going to use later for topping. I'm adding the dried cherry. You can also use raisin. So now I'm adding the milk. And I'm using the plant-based milk, unsweetened oat milk. So I'm just giving this a stir. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the toppings, which is the almond, and then I'm going to add the blueberry to that. So now I'm going to add the blueberry. Guys, I love blueberries. This blueberry is going to be my sweetener for this overnight oats. So there you have it. I'm adding some more milk to cover it off. And now I'm going to cover this and put it in the refrigerator to stay overnight. So if you love overnight oats, you can try this quick and easy recipe. So now I put it in the refrigerator, and this is what my overnight oats look like. See, I'm moving it up and down. It's like a pudding. So there you have it, my simple, easy, delicious, nutritious, healthy overnight oats. And I'm gonna test it out right now. See what it looks like. Guys, I thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, where you wait, pan, just go ahead, man, do the do. Subscribe. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Live good, walk good, pray good, one love. Bless up yourself. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more. From Sister J's Caribbean Cuisine.